In this video, I'll be sharing with you a requested tutorial from my group on how to cut this halter neck Victorian corset with a front lacing bar and a collar. So if this is something you like, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and to also join our 5 days corset class where you'll be learning how to draft 5 different types of corset. Go ahead and send us a message on our WhatsApp number. So without much wasting time, let's dive right into today's video. So to start, here is my pattern paper and I've gone ahead to mark out my basic measurement on this pattern, which includes my shoulder to bust line, my shoulder to under bust line, my shoulder to waist line, and 5 inches for my blouse length, although I'm going to have an extension at the lower part. The next step is to go ahead to mark your shoulder divided by 2. From there, come down by 1 inch and I'll mark a basic neckline of 3 inches, place my ruler and I'm going to connect. Next is to find your chest line, which is your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. Mine is 7 inches and I placed my ruler and I'm going to draw out a straight line at that point. Next, mark what you have back on that shoulder and then you're going to connect. You're going to divide what you have here into 2 by folding your tape and mark. Come out by ½ inch and at this point you're going to mark your bust circumference divided by 4. Now connect from that your bust circumference to the ½ inch you came in and to the upper part of your shoulder. After you're done connecting this, you're going to start by marking your nipple to nipple divided by 2. So my nipple to nipple is 7 inches divided by 2. I have 3.5 inches. So I'm going to take this measurement all the way to the lower part of my pattern because I'm using a straight dart. Now I'll go ahead to place my ruler and I'm going to connect, drawing out a straight line. The next step is to go ahead to mark your dart intake. So for my dart intake, I'll be marking 1 inch on both sides of my pattern and I'll go ahead to mark this all the way down. So if you're a plus size or you're a bit busty, please go ahead and mark 1.5 inches on both sides. Now place your ruler and you're going to connect. After you're done connecting, you're going to go ahead to place your curved drew and come down by ½ inch. Go ahead to connect it to the under bust. Go ahead to repeat this at the other side of your pattern. So after you're done doing this, you're going to go ahead and mark out your basic neckline because you'll be using it to serve as a guide for drawing your shoulder dart. So I'm drawing out my basic neckline of 3 by 3 inches. So after I'm done marking that, I'm going to go ahead to divide what I have remaining on my shoulder into 2. And I'll place my ruler and I'll connect. Now after I'm done connecting, I'm going to go out by 2 inches for my shoulder dart. And